Need to keep industrial production clean and efficient? The answer is the industrial dust collector, your essential partner for a safer workplace, protected equipment, and higher productivity. Our collectors are built with key advantages: advanced variable frequency drives, cut energy use by adapting to real needs. High-efficiency filtration captures even fine dust, safeguarding machinery and environment. Intelligent controls allow remote monitoring and diagnostics, reducing downtime and maintenance. Plus, they're compact, durable, and easy to install. Supported by professional R&D and modern manufacturing, we provide high-standard solutions both off-the-shelf and customized for industries like metalworking, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Choose reliability. Choose efficiency. Let's build a cleaner, smarter workflow together.